What do you want? You want some new mealworms? Okay, okay. Hang on, hang on. Hang on, girl. Here. Are you taking good care of my girls? You are? Alright, I'll leave you alone now. See you later. Have a good day. Here you go, babies. It's good stuff, ain't it? Y'all getting so big. For a good job, you being a good mama. Yes, you are. You being a good mama. They all getting so big. Yeah, they're losing their baby feathers too. So they're doing great. I'll get a whole body shot here. All right, come on. Come on, babies. Yes, that good stuff. So she gets very ornery if I don't have any mealworms, and she's going after me because she wants her mealworms. And it's important right now for her too to have enough calcium for her to have in the babies, and some grit for her tummy, because she stayed in the run right here right now because the little ones are still little, and the area out there is not safe enough for them her to be out there. So keeping her in here, making sure that she gets the nutrition that she needs, and it's really important for the babies and for her too. So, and I've been getting them greens out of the garden. Yes, ma'am. You're doing a good job of you babies. And the garden's doing great too, so I can show y'all that a little bit here in just a minute. After we get done feeding those little ones. You done? No? So normally hens don't like it when you have their babies. They'll come to you. They always normally run away from you. So interacting with them while they were really little, and keep interacting with them with the mama's approval, of course. They're not afraid of me, and they will come to me and eat out of my hand. Yes, they do, don't they? And so they're still being tamed and not as skittish like some other hens that I had in the past, that the babies wouldn't come to me. They used to always run away from me. And it's been getting pretty hot out here, so I have to make sure they have plenty of water, and fresh water, so that water's not dirty or anything. So and I had to put the other chicks in the basement, and I'll show those to you in a little bit too. So they're getting really big too. Alright, here you go. Okay, that's it. And I am not giving them starter feeds. I'm giving them regular feed, starter feed with not medical in it. But I'm making sure they get the probiotics and vitamins in their water. So with Gray hatching the babies, the eggs, and sitting on the eggs, she has a bond with those chicks. And they always stay really close to her, but they're getting pretty brave and wandering off a little bit from her, but not too far. But also, she teaches them how to look for food and scratch for food, and teaches them a lot of things. So she is a really good mama. I come in here in the run and clean her drop-ins, her poop, so she does not have to stay in a nasty environment while she's in the run. And when the baby chicks get a little bit bigger, I will have them able to go outside with her mama, and they're not as a danger to get hurt from the other ones because they're much bigger. And if you can see, they are working on, let's see if I can get them in there. There you go. There you go. If you can see, they are losing their baby feathers right now. So they got little fizzies hanging off of them right now. And that looks so cute, but they're getting their real feathers in. And so far, I can tell all of them have a little feather tail coming in the back. So if my theory was right about the eggs with my experiment, I should have 8 hens here with the mama. And hopefully no rooster. But so far, it looks like I'm not. So I'm excited. This is definitely a game changer if this is really working. I had to get the water off the ground. They were getting it too dirty, but since they can jump up really good now, I'm not as worried about it as much anymore. So the water's going to be back up, and they're going to be more able to have clean water. So they just have to learn to take their turns though. Why is it important to keep the baby chicks in a clean area while they're growing? This is why. Making sure the baby chicks have a clean environment is really important because mama poops everywhere and they poop everywhere. So it's important to keep the poop clean and pick it up while they're in the run. If you don't do that, they can develop a lot of diseases and can get sick. So with it raining so much like it has been here, it's really important to kind of keep it dry and now have like branches in the sticks, 4x4s, so they can actually get off the ground. And they will also go in when it gets really bad. They will go into the coop, but most of the time they're spending their time out here. So it's important for them to, like you can see back there right now, that they also like to go up high to get off the ground. So I'm trying to provide them the care and the place and what they need to stay healthy, and they grow really nicely into big, hopefully all hens. And but they are very sweet, so I'm excited to have them and look forward to showing you all how they grow up and keep you updated on them. Resting now. Well, that was not very nice of you, Mommy. It's nap time. I think somebody's trying to lay an egg and somebody's trying to get in the nesting box with her again. I'll have to check on that here in a minute. They're so cute. Aren't they precious or what? Baby chick overload, cuteness. I'm going to go ahead and bring you along while I do my chores in the mornings with my girls here, and of course my boy. I'll make sure that even inside the coop of the baby chicks, where Mama's staying right now, that they have a clean environment, and make sure the water's clean. I'll dump the the sawdust out of it. Make sure that I always have water in here. Let's go inside and see what's going on in here. I got a feeling that not one hen is in the nesting box, maybe two again. Well, look at that. Snow and fall. Snow, that's not gonna work, baby. Come here. Come here. Let's come sit over here. Here. Get in here. Get in here, baby girl. Here you go. Now, everybody has a nesting box, okay? Everybody has their own nesting box. I think she'll be okay. I think she'll accept the nesting box. And I know that Miss Fall, she's pretty happy to have her off there because they keep crowding her space. And there's only one chicken in here. Yep. Alright, ladies. Y'all do a good job laying an egg. Just don't mind me while I clean the coop, okay? And Duke's out there hollering, so just ignore him. My sweet ladies. When you clean your coop like I do every day, it kind of makes a stop to having so many flies in here. It doesn't smell in here. I actually come in here and it does not smell like a chicken coop. And I'll keep the herbs, the nesting herbs, like these in here, stuff out of the garden, my herbs I put in here. And I'll try my best to scoop it I got my gloves and my bucket and I'll pick it up to keep it clean here. It's not a fun job, but it's helping me keeping my coop clean. And that's something just I do. I'm not saying you have to do this because a lot of people don't clean their coop every day, but I choose to clean my coop every day to keep the bug situation down and it smells better. So I better get to it. And I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken poop in my compost and put it in there. And check it out. I got to weed eat right here a little bit. But I got wildflowers all the way down this aisle. And I have some sunflowers coming up from last year. And I went ahead and I replanted some of this corn over here. And I never planted corn before, but it's really looking good. It hadn't died on me yet. And check it out. I have okra coming up. How cool is that? We love okra, so this is going to be really exciting to have hopefully a lot of okra this year. Here's a little update on my garden. The potatoes are doing great, and the one on the farm in my bags I think are ready to be harvested, so I'm gonna have to look into getting them out of there. But yes, but check it out. My beans are coming up, my peas. I'm really excited. Looking good. The difference of those chicks and the ones outside is that I'm the mama and she rejected them, so she want nothing to do with them, so it's my turn to take care of them until they get big enough and to be able to go outside. Right now they're losing their baby feathers too, so they could stay in here, and they got plenty of room to move around. So that's a very big thing for having baby chicks, to have enough movement around, and they can move around and jump and get plenty of exercise. So yeah, I'm the mama, and Gray is mama to the other chicks. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to sneeze on you, sweetheart. Here, let's try this again. Oh, give me that. I have to hold it. Let's try. Don't yank it out of my hand. Here you go. Throw it over here. I can get you something out of the garden. Hang on. Hey, slow down. Nope, there's going to be a hog. Hang on, Snow, wait a minute. There you go. That's all I got. You want a piece? You better get it fast because Snow's eating it all. There you go. You have to mow here soon. Or weed eat at least in here. My friend's house, she has no grass in her backyard where she has all the chickens. And mine, look at this. I have a full grass here and it's time to mow again. It's getting pretty tall. I hope you enjoy the content of my videos. I'm just bringing everybody along on my journey about my chickens and gardening and moving over to the farm. And hopefully when I get to the farm, and I'll be able to do more things that I'm wanting to do. But for right now, I'm just kind of limited just a little bit. But I'm learning, and it's been definitely a journey. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet and you do like watching my videos, push subscribe. It would help me out very much. So I really appreciate it. God bless y'all, and I'll see you next video. Bye.